#1 morning show is now Canada's first in HD.
Also, check this out. It's called The Corner. Look at this really cool. This is head artistry is what it is. Can I see the back again? There it says Da Corner. So we're going to see works in progress this morning and then a reveal. This is a one-stop shop. Not only do you get your hair done, you can buy music, you can get your clothes, accessories, men and women, and they all look beautiful also. But it's also the one thing I struggle with right here, 3 different ways to make, oh, it smells so good, risotto. And if you're going somewhere romantic, or you want to surprise somebody with something romantic, we have got the getaways for you. It is 7:01. You're watching BT. Hopefully I'm not going to fall anywhere this morning. I love the whole bathroom. There's nothing like a new clean bathroom.
Exactly. What's going on?
Okay, so we've got this great place called Da Corner. It's a barbershop, music, clothing, accessories, and we're checking in right now, progress report, if you will, moments before their segment. There they are. Our makeup room has never been more full. And to see the artistry, look, he's able to do this with a mirror.
And coming up next on Breakfast Television, a full update on what's happening with that storm coming up. We'll be right back after this.
Will you do it, Kat? Look, CN Tower. Good morning, everybody. We've been showing you a progress report, and now we've got the final results. Here is Da Corner, easy for me to say, co-owner. It's hard to say all together. Big Black, a.k.a. A Black Man. Good morning.
How are you?
I'm good. This is awesome stuff. We're going to start with the first couple right away. We want to get to everybody who look amazing, stunning, both of them.
This is Queen Maybach. She's wearing a design by Honey Matthews.
Okay.
It's an exclusive piece. We have Odin Harding. He's wearing jewels from Trilogy Jewelry, which is also inside the corner. He's wearing a Kuji jacket, which is also available at the corner.
Let's tell everybody the concept of the corner. It is a one-stop shop for men and women, so they can get the clothing, the accessories, hair, you name it.
Definitely.
Okay.
We support our local artists, local hair designers.
Which I love, because no one else will have it. It's one of a kind stuff. Okay, our next couple. Thank you. You really look amazing, you two. Up next, this is your sister.
This is Aaliyah Blackman.
Good morning.
This is Sean Gold from Trilogy Design. Sean Gold is rocking the custom piece, Arthur, as you can see.
Oh, that's so
That's a
cool.
pendant. That's what we make in our store.
I love it.
And this is Aaliyah Blackman, like I said. She's wearing Hip Hop Ain't Dead. It lives in the north, which is a radio station called the Crack House.
Okay.
So it's kind of representing that northern feel, flow kind of thing.
And the artwork here is one of a kind as well, with t-shirts.
That's by Stilo, by Intrigue Designs. You can check him out, intrigue.ws.
Really well done. I love it. Thank you. You both look amazing.
Jacket's custom as well.
Custom made. Up next, another couple. Honestly, I haven't seen anything like this ever. We got Pepe.
Yes. We have JC. She's rocking another design by Stilo, Intrigue Designs. You can get it available at the corner inside the black market. We have It's Chris.
Oh, yeah. I love it. We're missing all of Chris's moves, Chris. Okay, ready? You're up, Chris.
Do it.
Show us the gold, Chris.
He's wearing the Broke Billionaire design. He has that hair design in his hair, courtesy of Jimmy Xiao.
See that? How long does it take to do this? The artwork in the head. How long does that take?
About 15 minutes or so, because our artists are real artists, you know, so.
Oh, that's so cool. And it's like tattoos. You basically tell them what you want, they do it, right?
Yeah, or sometimes we'll freestyle it.
I love it. Thank you. Up next, more family members. What a beautiful family.
We have Jamila Blackman and we have Travesty, the model. Jamila's wearing an out here shirt, courtesy of Mayhem Moriarty and Mosaic Group.
And it's all about the layering too, right?
Yeah, definitely. You can see the custom jacket by CeeLo again to match the custom shoes.
Look at that.
Yeah.
And are these washable?
No, well, they are washable, but they won't wash out.
So dry clean.
Definitely.
Okay. And I love this, the Einstein. Isn't that neat?
Yep, another design by CeeLo, Intrigue.ws.
Now let's see the back of your head. I hear there's something really cool happening back there. Oh, you did it! Oh, you can stay. You can stay. That is dedication.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much. And I guess it depends on how fast your hair grows, whether or not that lasts for a couple weeks or, right? Okay, we like that. Very well done, very well done. You look amazing. And here comes another really inspiring, one-of-a-kind design. Let's take a look. And let's not forget these cutie patooties who are lining up. Look at this. Precious. Hi, sweetheart. You're the cutest thing.
We have Jimmy Xiao, we have Big Daddy with the kids.
Okay.
This is our designer slash artist slash everything. He makes shirts, paintings, all everything, man, everything. He did these designs.
The cute factor is in overdrive right now. Okay, now can we see the faces now that we saw your amazing dudes? Look into that camera right there. Does this not make your Thursday morning? Everybody wave. Say hello.
Say good morning.
You are the coolest kids I've ever seen. They all look amazing. Let's have a grand finale. All of you beautiful people, come on out. For more information, you're going to have to visit Deck Corner. They are located at 256A Queen Street West at John. Go to MySpace/corner456. Call 647-209-8029. The Corner is, of course, as we mentioned, barbershop, music, clothing, you name it, and you too could look this good. Or at least try. You could look amazing. Thank you so much. Over to Jennifer at Live Right Now.
Dina, you know what looks...
Yeah, lots of sunshine out there right now, but quite a difference for this time tomorrow morning.
We're always bringing the sunshine inside this lobby, we are, but you said you have a secret.
Well, no, I don't have a secret. Somebody here has a secret. I was walking through the hallway, and our last guests who were on, a little voice said, Kevin, I have a secret for Dina. So let's bring Andre back on. He's 5 years old.
Hi, Andre.
Come on in, Andre. We've got a stool for you and
The
everything.
cutest little things who stole the show today.
There we go. Come right up here, buddy.
Here you go, Andre.
How you doing? Andre's 5 years old.
Andre doesn't need my help. Hi, Andre. You were really good on TV before.
You're good. You said you had a secret for Dina, and you wanted me to tell her, but I thought you could tell her, okay? Can you tell her that? Okay. You just whisper in her ear,
Andre,
okay?
first of all, how old are you, Andre? 5. You're 5. Okay, so can you tell me your secret? Okay. Can I tell everybody? He said, me and no. Or no.
Oh, no.
Okay, wait, Andre, I want your brothers to come here too. You three are the cutest little things I've ever seen, and I want to say their daddy over there, nicknamed Daddy Daycare, is my hero because, watch this, you are 7, your name is? Tristan. Tristan is the oldest one. Andre is 5. And then your name is? Kieran. Kieran, how old are you? I don't know. You're 3 and a half, and there's a baby girl at home. What's your sister's name?
Haley.
Haley, so let's say hi to Haley, even though she's too small. Maybe one day you can tell her about this. You guys did a really good job. What do you want to be when you grow up?
Chef.
A chef. What about you?
I don't really know.
Yeah, it's too early to think about it.
Do you want to be a dragon?
You want to be a dragon?
Oh, yeah. Apparently there's lots of openings.
No way.
That's the coolest thing ever. Do you want to maybe work in TV like Kevin Frankish over here?
No. I would like to be giving ice cream when it's hot.
Oh, an ice cream truck driver? That would be cool.
Wouldn't that be fun?
Or ice cream shop.
What ice
You
cream
want to
shop?
own an ice cream shop? What's your favorite flavor?
Strawberry vanilla.
Oh, that's a good choice. Well, thanks so much for coming to visit us. You can come back anytime.
Go pile on Dad right now. Go get Dad.
Cutest things I have ever seen. That's it.
We'll tell you what the secret was next, all right?
You know, nothing could follow those kids, so I'm just going to go. I'm going to leave now. Oh, look at this great shirt they made from the corner.
Andre's letting us know as well that the secret's okay. He and his grandmother watch you all the time.
Hey, I think I need to babysit those children because they're so cute.
So if you have kids and you want them to be babysat by Dina, just drop them off here on your way to work.
I'll start babysitting, so they're in great capable hands if I'm not falling on the floor. We'll see you tomorrow. Drive safe. Watch us 5:30 a.m. tomorrow.